everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you an easy salad recipe, cracked corn salad. Now this recipe is geared for people who have struggles with making a delicious salad, pasta, or any type of salad. This is excellent for cookouts, barbecues, a side dish, and it doesn't take many ingredients and hardly anything to chop. So let me show you what I have. I have some oven roasted corn. You can check out that video on my channel. I've got some fresh parsley, 3 scallions, and I'm going to use 2 cans of Fiesta corn. I'm going to use some canned jalapeno peppers. They're pickled. The recipe I had used fresh, but if you're going to use the fresh, make sure you can handle the spice. If not, make sure you remove all the seeds and all the veins. And ranch dressing, because as I stated, when I had this, they used jalapeno ranch dressing. I couldn't find it. So I'm going to use cheddar cheese. It's about 2 cups, and I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of zesty Italian just to kick it up a notch, and bacon. In this recipe, they saute the bacon in a pan. I'm going to microwave it, and just like I said, for the added zip, I have some extra corn. I'm going to take all that corn off the cob. So let me get everything set up. This is definitely for people who have a hard time making salads taste good. And like I said, the only thing you have to chop up is the parsley. You can crumble up the bacon with your hands and cut up the scallions. So I'm going to put you guys on pause. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, so the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of bacon fat, and there it is. It's just to warm the corn through, just so it won't be crunchy. So I've got my skillet up kind of high, so I don't want this greasy. And this is the Fiesta corn. Like I said, you can use bagged, frozen, any kind of corn you have. And I'm not putting the corn off the cob in here because that I cut off the cob. It's already been cooked and roasted. So I'm just going to cook this in the bacon grease, and I only used 1 tablespoon. And I've got this up on high for just 3 to 4 minutes, just so it's not real crunchy. You just want to get it tender. So I'm going to cook this for a little bit, put you guys on pause, turn the camera around, pull this together. Like I said, this is perfect for tailgating, barbecuing, and this is football season now. And most people haven't had corn salad. They've had corn dips and different things, but this is also an excellent side dish for any holiday or any picnic or any Sunday dinner. And you know, you guys, I always tell a joke and upload 2 videos a week if you're familiar with my channel. I'm Jennifer, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. My channel is dedicated to people who don't like to cook, don't want to cook, don't know how to cook. Easy weeknight recipes or any day of the week. So let me put you guys on pause, turn the camera around, and let's finish this up. Okay, you hear that sizzling. This has been going for about 3 to 4 minutes. So that's all it needs, because it doesn't need to be cooked. So I'm going to dump this into my pot here, my bowl. And you want to let this cool. So I'm going to put you guys back on pause. This totally has to cool because you don't want the cheese to melt inside here. So I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so I had my corn. I put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour because I wanted it cold. I did not want the cheese to congeal or get gooey. So I'm going to add the 3 scallions, and I've chopped up a little bit of parsley for freshness. And I chose scallions because it's a mild cheese, it's a mild onion flavor, and it wouldn't be as harsh in this cold salad. And then ask for 2 cups of cheese. I'm going to go just under because I'm not using the full recipe. And then I have 2 tablespoons of the zesty ranch. I'm adding in that. And then you add the ranch dressing. And if you don't want to use ranch, you can always use sour cream and mayonnaise for this recipe, and it'll taste just as good. I'm going to add about that much and stir this together. See how this looks. And you just, season the taste. I'm not adding any salt to this because I use that zesty package. And you know that usually contains a lot of salt. So you definitely want to be careful with the salt. And that looks like about right. That was about 3/4 of the bottle of the ranch. Stir this together. And then the bacon. Full recipe asks for a full pound of bacon. This is almost a pound. I used all of the bacon in that pound except 4 strips. And like I said, most recipes you saute this in a skillet on the stove. I like my bacon in the microwave because you can hear it. I like it nice and crispy. I don't like any fat on my bacon. And like I said, this is a great salad. I'm taking it to work tomorrow, something different that they haven't had. I'm gonna make another salad for them where there's chicken and Fritos in here with corn. It's a little bit change of the recipe a little bit, but it's more of a dip. I think you guys will really like this. And most people haven't had a corn salad, bacon, and jalapeno peppers, and like I said, the scallions give it a nice kick. So sweet, savory, crunchy, a little bit of onion bite, and I think it's just a perfect salad just to make. So I'm just gonna stir this all together like this and get it all mixed and get ready to pour this on my display plate and tell you guys my joke. And like I said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, my channel is all about delicious, tasty meals that don't require a lot of work. And for people like myself who work full-time and just don't have a lot of time to cook long meals like collard greens and stuff like that. So let me put you guys on pause one more time, turn the camera around, and tell you guys my joke. Well, I just tasted it, you guys, I forgot. My jalapenos. I put 2 tablespoons in here. I knew something was off. And I crunched those, I spun those in my little mini chopper. Because you know I like the heat and the spice. But it tastes absolutely delicious without it. So if you can't handle the spice, it's fine just like it is. Make sure you use the ranch dressing. Just 2 tablespoons of the zesty ranch. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, now I'll turn the camera around this time and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. Cracked corn salad. And this salad will keep for 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. You need a minimum of 2 hours chilling time in the fridge, but I'm going overnight. That's where you get the optimal flavor. So now I'm gonna tell you my joke. 3 ducks go to court. The first duck goes up to the platform and the judge says, okay, tell me your name and why you're here. My name is Huey and I was found blowing bubbles in the pond. The judge says, I don't know how much of a crime that is for your sentence. So let's make it 10 hours of community service. So the second duck walks up to the stand and the judge says, tell me your name and why you're here. The duck says, my name is Dewey and I was found blowing bubbles in the pond. The judge says again, I don't know how much of a crime that is, but you're sentenced to 10 hours of community service just like the first duck. So the third duck walks up to the stand and the judge says, don't tell me your name is Louie. The duck says, no, your honor, I'm bubbled. Oh, you get it? That's pretty sick. But anyway, that's my joke. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as I said, my channel is geared towards people who don't like to cook but like really delicious food. This has crunchy onions, crunchy smoky bacon, creamy cheese, jalapenos that are really small, ranch dressing, and the little packet made all the difference. It does not eat any salt if you use that method. So what I want you to do, if you don't have the ranch, just go ahead and use sour cream, and mayo, and use a full packet of the ranch dressing, zesty. So thanks for watching. God bless, and hope to see you on the next one. And please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good evening.